Joey A here, filling in for Joe P today. Hello everybody in Knievel land. We're hoping to share this really cool 1974 Aladdin Evel Knievel Lunchbox. Illustrations by John Henry. All original. Aladdin Industries began making kerosene lamps, which is where the name came from. As electricity phased out the demand for gas light, Aladdin switched their fabrication focus to their own innovations, namely insulated cooking dishes or Thermalware jars. By 1918, they patented a Vacuumware beverage container and began production in Chicago. 20 years later, the company paired its bottle with a tin lunchbox, shrewdly cashing in unpopular characters of the day, like cartoons or cowboys. Since the products are so durable and prevalent, today's collectors have an easy time finding their childhood favorite. An Evel Knievel licensed product, for example, can be had for around $200 in good condition. The original artwork, however, is much rarer. Former employees say paintings and drawings were simply thrown away when the factory shuttered. We've got the original instructions. Let's take a look inside here. We've got the original Thermos, and we've got the illustrations that come with said Thermos. We've got Sky Cycle, we've got the cars. Original lunchbox art is rare. Considering there were about 500 different lunchboxes ever made, there would have been 3 panels for each piece: a front, a back, and a side wrap. But again, most of these were thrown away. The Evel Knievel Museum was fortunate enough to obtain this concept art for the Knievel lunchbox. It's easy to see the authenticity. Maybe it doesn't show up here on camera, but there's layers of white out here where the faces were reworked, pencil lines are evident underneath the final ink, and a little bit of Scotch tape secures the Knievel signature logo. There's some handwritten notes around the border, but man, this is indeed the real deal. But it's so original, let's take a look, see if there's anything in here. There's still some coffee in here.
It can't be, from 1974?
74. Smells pretty fresh. So in addition to making the Evel Knievel lunchbox in 1974, John Henry also illustrated lunchboxes with Tarzan, the Flintstones, James Bond, Jonathan Livingston Seagull, Pebbles and Bam Bam, skateboarders, Superman the movie, a stewardess, and Buck Rogers.
What about Buck?
Anyway, these are the original. These are the original blueprints, and not in the original condition we found them, but these are going to be on display soon, and hopefully Mike will forgive me for making a mess here. Last time I touched the Caesar's helmet, I was eating barbecue. Happy landings.